You have to be careful when you're looking for solar because unfortunately there are some great prices, or they look to be great prices out there in the media and in the papers and on social media. You see these great prices advertised, but when you scratch that surface and actually have a look at the technology they're using, for those that are in the know like we are, we can see the issues that people are going to face if they install those kinds of systems in the future, and that actually scares us. We actually prefer to install systems that are going to give greater longevity and go well beyond the warranty periods. That's what we're looking for, and that's what we want our customers to enjoy. We believe everybody should have a good solar experience. So you see those cheaper prices, and it's that old saying, that old cliche, you get what you pay for, pay cheap, pay twice, that sort of thing. You hear those sayings often, and that's really upsetting to us because we're incredibly passionate about what we do, and that's why we choose quality, because we don't want to have customers having those sad experiences and being dissatisfied. It's not fair. One of the things we see as being a part of the solar industry is it's an environmental aspect as well, and we don't want to see the increase of waste. So ensuring that you're using quality product and product that has the long-standing warranties behind it, that's why we choose the brands that we choose, is because we know we're not going to have to go back in a couple of years' time or in 5 years' time and pull panels off and replace them, or replace inverters in 2 years, which unfortunately we do see often. That's why we use the brands that we choose, so that we know that our customers are going to get longevity and we're not going to add to the waste issues that Australia currently faces.